Teammates.
Dude, I have that exact helmet on my hunter.
What the heck?
Oh,
Why are your
my
weapons
God.
that as
I have
well?
claws.
No.
I could use claws.
No.
Yeah, he could.
Switch.
To what? Outlast? Or
Warlock.
No,
I have
switch
Outlast.
characters.
Oh.
I mean, I don't really care. It's up to
I don't
Ryan.
really care either. I'm not switching.
Oh,
I'll do,
God.
I'll do just fine. I don't care.
He says that and he gets sniped body shot. He just dies.
Guys, I'm chilling at 980. I'll carry. Don't worry.
We'll see about that.
So light level. Since when does light level actually affect that stuff? Like
Your
Since
bird.
when?
Only in Iron Banner it does. And this is
Oh.
Iron Banner.
Okay, the random like from your bird is like amusing to me. It's like
Squawk! Squawk!
just the little sound is just hilarious. Fun.
Squawk!
It's better than Cardboard's cat, I'll tell you that much.
Squawk!
Oh my gosh.
Ah, the squawk has come. Squawk!
The bird can't hear you.
Christ.
Oh my gosh. We get an exorcist in here.
Please stop.
Server mute him, server mute. Someone
Okay, I'll
server
stop.
mute this
But you're
boy.
terrible. I'll still reboot you, Carney.